So hey there, I came in on a 30-day visa exempt. So when I came in July, the visa exempt period was 45 days. I stayed 60 days. So back there in August, I actually did another video where I showed the process of going to immigration and getting my visa extended. That's what I'm doing again this time. And I'm doing this video for two purposes. One, to help you, because the process is actually fairly simple. And right here in the corner of this video, I'll show you where I got this done here on Koh Samui. And it's the immigration office, and you can pretty much go to any immigration office probably throughout Thailand and do the same thing for extending your visa. Like I said, I came in on a 30-day visa exempt. So what I am showing up with is my original passport. Okay, I am showing up with a copy of my passport. I am showing up with a copy of my TM6. I am showing up with a filled out copy or filled out TM7, which I downloaded from the internet, and I will put a link down below. And I'm showing up with a copy of my visa page, as well as, some passport photos, which I got prior to going to immigration in July. But when I was there in July, there was a passport place right outside, as well as a copying place. So you could do your copies and your passport photos there. I just didn't want to take the chance that they might have been closed, so I did it in advance. And lastly, 1,900 Thai baht. So it's about $60. So it is 8:47 a.m. here. I'm about to head over there. I'm gonna take the scooter, take a nice ride from where we're living now on Koh Samui. It's probably only a 10-minute ride, where last time it used to be on the complete opposite side of the island. And once I get there, I will take a few videos showing you what the area looks like in case you're heading in that direction. So I'll see you soon, and wish me luck. So I want to show you where the turnoff is on the ring road. So I am in Mae Nam right now, and I am going counterclockwise around the island. And let me turn because that's the turn right there. So I was on that side of the road, heading counterclockwise. There's a Family Mart. There's a big old billboard right there. And there's this building over here called Visa Run. What you do is you take a left on that road where that white truck is, and then maybe about a quarter mile, half a kilometer up on the right, you'll see immigration. I'll see you there. Here's the road out in front of immigration. So it's clearly marked with a sign, and then you just follow that car right there. So you can see what the actual building looks like right behind me. There's a lot of scooter parking on both sides, and there's parking out here. So there's free parking, and then there's parking over there on a private lot for 20 baht. So this place probably gets pretty crowded. Looks like there might be a coffee place right there and a place to get copies and stuff like that. So I'm gonna head in, and it's looking kind of busy today. So I showed up really prepared, which was good. I had copies of everything, but I just took pictures of the orientation of the copies. So I had made beautiful color copies of everything, but because the orientation wasn't right, they had me go downstairs and get more copies. So I got these 2 copies made for 5 baht each. So there's the orientation the way they're supposed to be. They're supposed to be high up on the page, and you know, there's the info page right there. So that's the way they're supposed to be. So I finished that part. So I went up to the desk. You know, they give you a number. So they had some ladies out front at a table doing like pre-screening of everything to make sure you had everything in order. And even though I came fully prepared, that was a challenge because I didn't have a Thai phone number. They kept thinking that my address that I was giving them was a hotel and it's a private residence that we're renting. They wanted the hotel phone number, which I didn't have, so I had to actually contact the owner and get their phone number. They kept going to Google Maps trying to find the hotel, and it's not a hotel, so that was a little bit of a challenge. And then, like I had mentioned earlier, even though I had made copies of everything, you want to orient them correctly. But just remember that here, they've got a photocopy place, and my guess is the photocopy place and passport photo place is always open, meaning when immigration is open, I'm sure those places are open. So even though I came fully prepared with everything filled out, I don't think it really saved me much. I could have done it all here. So once I did that step, I went inside and sat down. They had given me a number. Did they give me a number? Yeah, they'd give me a number, handwritten number. So then a guy checked my stuff one more time, and that went really fast. And then I got another number, sat down for probably 10 minutes, and they called my number. I went up, I gave them everything. I gave them 1,900 baht. They took my picture one more time and told me to come back in 30 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see you guys soon. So in my half-hour wait, I decided to go get an iced coffee. Look at the size of this iced coffee, it's awesome. It's the stand that I got it from right there. And if you look over there in the upper left-hand corner, it's just 25 baht. So this iced coffee is just 25 baht, which is about 65 or 70 cents. Sure, they put a lot of ice in it, but it's still a great buy. So I'll see you guys at immigration, hopefully picking up my visa extension. So as I was drinking my iced coffee, they give them in these nice bags, these nice carry bags, but when I was finished, I lowered the bag around it and I noticed that little hashtag enjoy with chapayom.com, and then lots of marijuana leaves. So I do know that marijuana is becoming legal to some capacity here in Thailand. I'm not sure if it's just the extracts or whatever, if it's actually marijuana, but I've seen some photos or some videos of marijuana farms and a lot of promotion of potential marijuana here in the future, although I do not believe marijuana is here legally right now. Also, if you're wondering if it's getting busier here, it is definitely getting busier here. I'm just sitting on a corner on Ring Road, and it's just a continuous flow of cars and scooters and motorcycles and delivery vehicles. Okay, so right up the street here, there's a police checkpoint. About 100, 200 yards back, a guy was waving to me, and I didn't know what he was saying because he was an old Thai guy. Well, now I know what he was saying, so I will let you know what happens when I go through the checkpoint. I am going to go through it and see what happens. I do have my international driver's license. I have my helmet on. I have my mask on, and I'll let you know on the other side. And just like that, I made it through, and I'm 100% sure it's because I had my helmet on and I had my mask on. Never even looked at me twice, but was expecting it, was ready for it. And just so everybody knows, that's the turn for Fisherman's Wharf right there. So after the little bit of stress working on getting my visa extended earlier today, I decided to come to one of our favorite places and just chill out for the rest of the day. I'm at Ozo Resort
on Shawang Beach. It's a 10-minute drive from our new house that we're renting. And I ordered our go-to margarita pizza. It was 220 baht. I ordered 2 smoothies that were like 120 baht each. So I'm into it for about 450 baht approximately, which will be about 14 US dollars. So this was a great day to just sit around, review a few things online, and just be relieved that I made it through the day successfully. So everybody, as usual, thanks for watching. Take care. Shoot me a message if you're ever going to be in the area, and I mean here in Koh Samui or even in Arizona, as I go back and forth on a very regular basis. Take care and have a great day. So when I was driving home last night, I hadn't eaten supper, and I stopped in one of the stores, like a 7-Eleven or something, and I saw this fried macaroni with chicken. And you know what? The chicken part looked okay, but then this morning when I took it out of the fridge, I noticed there's like those little hot dog things in there. So I'm gonna try this out. It costs 40 baht total, so it's like $1.30. Stand by. Quick little microwave. And here goes nothing. I'll start with a piece of macaroni. Tastes all right. Yeah. Try a hot dog. Tastes like a hot dog and a piece of chicken. So, you know, for just a couple bucks a day, you won't starve to death in Thailand. All in all, it's not that bad, to be honest with you.